Hi everyone, I'm Paul from Legacy Lumber and Canadian Woodworks. That's how I open all of my videos, and you may be wondering, what is Legacy Lumber? Legacy Lumber is our ever-growing lumber company who specializes in live edge lumber, epoxy, and C-channel. We have dealers now all the way across North America, which is pretty awesome. Thumbs up to all of you for the support, and thumbs up to all of our dealers. You guys are killing it out there. We've asked them to create a little backstory video on who they are and what they do. So this is the first video in that series featuring Rob, who runs the store in Mississauga, Ontario at Concept 13. So, hope you enjoy the video, and if you need some lumber, need some epoxy, get in touch with Rob. He's got a great online store, literally ships every day, and he is still doing curbside pickup with the whole COVID situation going on. So everyone, make it a great one.
Yeah, come sit over here and you'll see how fast you can chill out. Pour some shots. Let's pour a shot. I'll chill out here. Hi everyone, my name is Rob Medaglia. I am the owner and operator of Concept 13. I've been woodworking for about 5 years now and am now a proud dealer of Legacy Lumber. Through Legacy Lumber, we now carry a large and unique selection of live edge lumber, which is available for purchase online or in store. So how I met Paul was early on when I started to do woodworking, when I was just getting into it. I was following Paul on Instagram and was lucky enough to meet him at the One of a Kind show in Toronto. We've now partnered together to bring you the best quality lumber at fantastic prices. As a woodworker myself, I'm super excited to provide everyone with the same quality lumber I've been working with for years now. It's been amazing to see the diversity in this woodworking community. We have customers from firemen to businessmen to stay-at-home moms to students, everyone in between. It's been amazing to take someone that's never picked up a saw before to educate them to get to a point where they can finish a project on their own. We love watching this. We want to continue to see customers and hobbyists just get into this and enjoy it. We're fully stocked on finish, adhesive, epoxy, and hardware. For finish, we only carry products with low VLCs that will protect your wood and be safe for you to use. What can I say about adhesives? It's glue. You put it together, it sticks. We sell it. Come get it. That's a shot. Give me some more. For epoxies, from pigments to bar tops to thick pours, we got you covered. All our legs are Canadian made and perfect for your dining tables, benches, and coffee tables. We have the best C-channel in the industry, used and designed by Canadian Woodworks to bring strength and longevity to your tables for years to come. To complement our table legs and C-channels, we carry Rampatech inserts and bolts, best in the industry. I want to thank everyone for their ongoing support, business, and friendship. We are super passionate and excited to partner up with Legacy Lumber to bring you the best quality lumber for your woodworking projects. From my family to yours, good luck on your future woodworking projects, and thank you for your support. Bye. Awkward. Awkward. All right, let me